In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and customize the card table tool in your project workspace. This can be particularly helpful if you're looking to enhance project organization or streamline your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or someone experimenting with project management software, turning on and configuring the card table tool can make a noticeable difference in how you visualize and manage your tasks. To begin, you'll need to open the specific project where you want to utilize the card table feature. Navigating to the correct project is essential, so make sure you're in the one where you plan to apply these changes. This will ensure that all adjustments you make are correctly implemented where needed. Once you've opened the desired project, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the three dots menu, often referred to as the More options or Actions menu. Click on this to reveal additional settings related to your project. Depending on the version of the software you're using, you'll see options labeled either as Setup Tools or Change Tools. Selecting this option will take you to the Tool Management interface, where you can view, enable, or disable specific project tools. In the next step, look for the Card Table tool on the list of available options. It's important to note that, by default, new projects typically have this tool turned off. Therefore, you'll need to manually toggle it on. Doing so will activate the card table, allowing you to start using it immediately. At this point, you have the option to personalize this tool according to your preferences or project needs. You can do this by renaming the tool to reflect its purpose more accurately or by adjusting its settings to better suit your workflow. Customizing the tool can increase clarity and make navigation more intuitive for you or any team members involved in the project. Take a moment to consider how you'd like to configure the tool, keeping in mind any specific requirements or preferences you have. There you have it, a straightforward guide to activating and customizing the card table tool in your project workspace. Taking advantage of this feature can aid in better task visualization and organization, contributing to a more efficient and streamlined project management experience. As you spend some time exploring the new tool, feel free to revisit the settings to make any necessary tweaks. This will ensure that your project remains as functional and effective as possible. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy project managing.